Welcome to the class again, gentlemen. In our last class, we had talked about communication. And in a class prior to that, we had seen the importance of acceptability at the workplace, because acceptability at workplace helps retention, helps promotion. And we had said that the certain factors are very essential for retention and promotion, that is acceptability. And the factors of the acceptability are communication, commercial awareness, etiquette, attitude, grooming, working image. So in this lecture, we'll cover on the commercial awareness. In the subsequent lecture, under the heading presentation skills, we will cover rest of the topics. Commercial awareness. Commercial awareness can be defined as a knowledge stroke experience of the intended industry. If you are going to join a retail mall, you must have some knowledge about that industry. If you are going to join, say, automotive industry, you must have some knowledge about automotive industry. So, industry specific knowledge is extremely essential. That can be divided into technical knowledge, knowledge about technology in use, further technologies coming, and technology transfers, etc. As you go up, the requirements of this knowledge would increase. So, if you want to upgrade yourself, you have to keep your technical knowledge update if you are going to apply for a technical job. Environment. Environment means environment in which the business is operating, environment in which consumer is there, environment in which supplier is there. In case you do not know, say, environment, maybe as a shop floor worker, your knowledge of environment has to be entirely different than a person who's the general manager. His knowledge of environment has to be much more. But basic components still remain the same, that you must have it. Number 3, you are an engineer into a sales job. Then your commercial awareness must be also about the different types of selling, different types of regulation, statutory compliances, how to make a proposal, how to make a presentation. So then in that case you have to know this kind of information. But if you were, say, a technical man into completely production unit, your commercial awareness has to be a different. And let us say now, it's not only applicable to persons with commercial jobs, but it's equally applicable to other professions. The teachers must know what are the latest way of teaching. They must know what is the syllabus to be followed. Journalists, they must know the latest video cameras, the latest recording systems, latest regulations. Hospitality industry must know latest about the software in case they are at the front of the office. They must have other ideas about use of, say, computer, other reservation equipment. Then that forms a part. If you are going for a training for a job of a hotel sales, you must have an idea that what are the hardware they are using, what are the ways they are selling this thing. Is the industry booming? Are the industry people spending money? So that is what it is. Next comes social worker. Even social workers have to have knowledge about the environment in which they are operating. Okay, then we will talk about commercial awareness as far as the business operation is concerned. A person know of the knowledge about the basic knowledge about the business operation, types of machinery being used, type of technology being used, who are the customers, who are our suppliers, who are our competitor, what kind of practice they are into, so that we can formulate our own strategy accordingly. Well, if you do not have this commercial awareness, how would you be in a position to increase your own acceptability? In case you are in a company and a person says downtime, you should be able to appreciate the word term downtime. A person in retail shop will ask you about discount structure. You should know about that. In an interview, if you know, you always get a plus point. So, before you go for an interview, or even if you have to go for an interview, you got selected, you must try and acquire knowledge about the commercial awareness, commercial environment. Then, environment. Environment provides some business benefit. Taxes reduce, the cost reduces. The seafare comes down, the taxes come down. Import duty comes down, taxes come down. So you have to know about yourself, about your competitors. Commercial realities, well, poor productivity, lack of availability of talent are the commercial reality which any growing country has to go through. The recent advances, recent technology has come, change in the technology, and how will the technology affect our own competitiveness in the market. So, because after all, if you're attending an interview tomorrow or you're sitting in a conference, if you don't have this knowledge, you will not be accepted. So you have to come to know that what are the knowledge must have commercial awareness to be effective in the job profile. Now, commercial awareness will also depend upon the level of responsibility. If you are a CEO, your level of commercial level has to be entirely different than you are a shop floor worker. As a CEO, you must know about the not only production, you must know about marketing, you must know finance, you must have a license capabilities. So that is what the job requirement. Organization. Different organizations require different levels of commercial awareness. So you have to be very clear. What is your organization requirement for level of commercial? If it is a small company, the requirement may be less. If it is a big company, multi-product company, the requirements would definitely be much more. So you must have knowledge so that you can decide what is the commercial awareness level required by you. Okay. Then how will you gain about the commercial awareness? You could be asked this question, what are the sources of commercial knowledge? If you do not know the sources of commercial knowledge, then you would not be in a position either to find out yourself or impress upon the interviewer about your knowledge. So this, in short, we have covered about the commercial awareness, which helps you to increase your own acceptability in the workplace. Thank you. Next lesson we will be covering on presentation cells. Thank you.